Good day to you all and welcome. In Creo Parametric, additive manufacturing lattice structures can be produced that are based on formulas. There are three different formulas. They are namely Primative, Gyroid, and Diamond. In order to show you these, we're going to use multi-bodies. Multi-bodies were introduced into Creo Parametric in version 7.0. Why would one want to use formula-based shapes? Well, they are going to be strong in their shape, especially in compression. And these shapes are also self-supporting. Okay, so let's get to it. We're going to switch on our datum planes and our center lines. And we're going to revolve on the front plane a shape about this center line. We'll make the radius 200 millimeters, and we will close off the shape with a line. Right, so there we have our spherical shape, and because we've used bodies, it's now very easy to reproduce them. And to reproduce them, we are going to use the paste special function. And all we have to do is drag this out by 500 millimeters and go into options and say we're going to copy the original geometry. And there we have a second sphere. So let's do that again. This time we're going to drag it out by 1000 millimeters. Copy the original geometry and switch off our datum planes. So there we have our three spheres that we're going to produce the lattice shapes within. Now, I have a snippet here from MathCAD that shows the formulas in Creo. So the primitive formula is that, the gyroid formula is that, and the diamond formula is a little bit more complicated and is shown by that formula. Okay, so let's get going. Produce a lattice. We are going to use a formula driven lattice. We're going to replace the body and we're going to use body 3. The cell type will be gyroid, and we will go for a smaller cell size, and we will go for a smaller wall thickness, and we will produce a high accuracy. It should take a few seconds and our first shape will be created. And there we have it. So let's do that again for the primitive shape. We'll go primitive shape, and we'll pump in the same numbers as last time. Cell 4 will be 10, and we'll go for high. And in a few seconds, our primitive shape will be produced. And there we have our primitive shape, somewhat different to the gyroid shape. Okay, let's do that again for the diamond shape. Formula driven, replace the body, cell type is diamond, the same numbers as we did previously, and high. This will take a little bit longer because of the more complicated formula. Now, lattice structures can be used in heat exchangers, they can be used to cool molding tools, and of course as support structures. And they have a very big or large surface area to them, and that is why they are so good for heat exchangers and cooling things down. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to show you inside, and to do that we will do a section, and we will pull the section through slowly to show you the inside structures, and you can see they are quite different. Okay, we'll close that down, and that in essence concludes my video, and thank you very much for your time.